Oh, yun lang. Sige yan.
Let's go, mga Kapuso! Congratulations, guys! Yes!
We're so happy that we have
Awesome.
the fastest rising K-pop group celebrating with us. Once again, give it up for
Yes, guys, can you give a quick shout out to your FOHAS all over the world?
Quick greeting, please say
Quick
hi.
shout out to your FOHAS all over the world.
Hi, Filipinos! We are... Thank you so much. All right, mga Kapuso, we have a few minutes to go before the countdown. At gusto natin magpasalamat sa ating partner for the last 20 years, SM Mall of Asia. Sa ating mga fellow Kapuso, pasok na! Mga Kapuso!
Come on!
We would like to acknowledge Steven Tan, President of SM Supermalls, John San Agustin, Head of Marketing, Parkinson, Senior Assistant Vice President for Mall Operations, Eliza Sia, Marketing Manager of SM Mall of Asia.
Yes! At maraming salamat din sa mga partners natin for the Kapuso Countdown to 2026 Playtime Entertainment!
That is right. At maraming salamat din sa Ladies' Choice and Nord. Extra saya ang countdown this year dahil sa inyong lahat.
Okay, maraming salamat again. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much.
Yes! Aho! 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 Aho!
Guys, eto na.
Grabe, we have 2 minutes left. Malapit na. Excited na ako sa 2026.
Ready na ako mag-2026, Mare.
Yes!
Alam namin.
Ready na. Akin ang 20... Akin ang Ken.
Atin ang 2026. Grabe.
Akin ang 2026.
We are so excited. It's
We are
gonna
so
be a blessed
excited.
new year.
Yes,
There's
and
gonna
of
be so
course,
much love, so
guys,
much hope.
Ito talaga yung pinaka-inaabangan natin lahat. Ito yung pagsalubong natin sa bagong taon. And sobrang dami natin mga bagay to be grateful for 2025.
That is right.
Pero syempre, mas marami pa mga exciting na bagay na mangyayari para sa next year, which 2026. Alright guys, mag-ingay.
Yes!
Everybody say yeah!
This is it, guys!
Malapit na!
Ang dahil naman sa cellphone nyo, guys!
Malapit na!
Yeah!
I just want to say, there's a rainbow after the rain.
First, thank you, Lord, for all the blessings.
Thank you so
It's gonna
much.
be a blessed year. God bless us all.
Guys, last 30 seconds!
OMG! 20 seconds!
Last 20 seconds!
Countdown na tayo!
Five,